If you also want to become a YouTuber and earn money from YouTube but don't know how to create a YouTube channel, you are on the right video. In today's video, we are gonna see how to create a YouTube channel in mobile in easy steps.
Oh my god! Wow!
First, go to Gmail. Scroll and see the option Add another account. Go to Google. Here choose the option Create Account. Choose for my personal use. Here write your first name and last name. Last name is optional. Next, here write the basic information about your birthday and gender. Next, here write a username for your email. Next, here write strong password. And now, it will take a few moments. And now the Gmail is created. Agree? Wait a few moments. Is almost there. Now check. Is created. Now go to YouTube. Here select option Switch account. Scroll down and you will see the Gmail account that you have created. Open that. Now here, choose the option Create Channel. Here, select the Create Channel. And now, your YouTube channel is created. You can make changes. You can change the name, handle, description, and logo banner. Thank you for watching.